Lesson 6, number 2. Let's make the instructions bigger. Add your own if statement. In most apps, you want to make decisions based on the state of some data you're keeping track of in the app. We've modified the Count Up Down app to add another screen. When the count reaches certain values, we'll switch screens. In the code, you'll see an if statement has been added to the event handler for up arrow that states if count equals 20, then set the screen to the game over screen. If the value of count is equal to 20, then set the screen to game over screen. Do this. Add an if statement so that when counting down, the app changes screens when the count reaches -5. Run the app and click the up arrow 20 times to see what happens when the if statement is triggered. So I'm going to run the app. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 19, 20. Wow, counted to 20. Study the if statement for the up arrow button to see how it works. Add an if statement to the down arrow event handler. If count is equal to -5, then set the screen to the game over screen. Goal. Once you're finished, clicking the down arrow in the app should work like the animation shown at the right. So I'm going to click on this arrow here to minimize the instructions. So here's the up button is clicked. So we've got count gets count +1, and then we update the display. So this is count -1. Now we need an if statement below the set text. So I'm going to go to the blue, drag that down. Count equals 20. So in math here, we've got the comparison operator. When count equals, instead of 20 though, we want to do -5. And then we need to set the screen to the game over screen. And set the text for the final score label to count. So that's actually going to be very identical. Final score label is going to be count. Notice how I took out the quotes there. Let's reset and run it. When I go to up arrow, 19, 20, counted to 20. Now I'm going to reset it and run it and do the down arrow. Oh, yes, I see. Error, line 15. Oops, we can't figure out what county. Yes, I see. I need to reset this. I made a typo. This is supposed to be count, not county. Run it, down arrow, and I got to -5 and it stopped. Okay, click finish.